Good morning.
Is it afternoon?
No, it is not afternoon. So, why are we all here today? Mitti Mela. Wow.
To celebrate inclusivity.
Oh yes, to celebrate inclusion. And what is Mitti Mela? Do we know what is Mitti Mela?
A flea market for good, I guess.
A flea market? No, it is a celebration of entrepreneurship, right? All these people over here, I hope they can understand English.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So all of them have been a part of the training program, the beautiful experiential training program that we have at Mitti Cafe. And today, they are showing what they have learned, right? Right from setting up the stall, conceptualizing it, bringing it into actual, reality today. And it is extra special for us today. Why? Because there's this wonderful team from Morgan Stanley who is a part of the Mitti Mela today. Right? So Morgan, do you all know Morgan Stanley? You know who they are?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, tell me.
Helping.
They are helping you. Oh, wonderful. Very nice. It is so great to help, right? Right?
My friend.
He's your friend now?
Yeah.
Oh, acha. Very good. Very, very good. Very good. So they are here. They are called volunteers. What is it? Volunteers. And these volunteers are helping us today to celebrate Mitti Mela. Right?
Yes.
Right? So should we say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming here. And exactly all the neighbors' guests, the thousands of people who were there in the party, they might have thought that whatever is happening here is wrong. It should stop. But did they do anything about it? No. So were they equally responsible as Nero? Yes. Right? So when we talk about inclusion, we talk about 1.2 billion people with disabilities across the globe. And we feel that, for them, economic independence and dignity is important. Equal opportunities are important. And if we don't do anything about it, who does that make us? Nero's guests. Right? And it was with this realization that we don't want to be Nero's guest that we started Mitti Cafe. Okay? Next. Now, why a Mitti Cafe is important? Huh? Okay. Let me talk about 1.2 billion people with disabilities across the globe. There needs to be something that will connect, right? People to people. What better than food to do that, right? Food is something that connects everybody. So very simply, through our cafes, we create platforms that create opportunities for sustainable livelihoods, right, for people with disabilities. And it also changes people's perceptions about disability and inclusion. Because the problem is not 1.2 billion people with disabilities. It is the larger problem with the larger community who believe that people with disabilities will not be able to do anything, right? So with every cup of tea that our team serves, they change someone's perception about disability and inclusion. Next slide, please. Now, the first cafe that came about, next. The first cafe that Mitti Cafe had was where? Was it in Bangalore? No. Hubli. That's right. That is right. And Rajshekhar was there, right? But the first cafe.
Sir, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್.
Oh,
ಯಾವೂರಿಂದ
wow.
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗುಜರಾತಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
So the first cafe that came up was not in a fancy place. Today we are at many places. But the first cafe was in this dilapidated tin shed, which was home to generations of rats, right? And we had no money to start the cafe. So who helped?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
The second-hand spoon to the second-hand fridge. Everything was donated as by the
ರಾಗಿ ಲಡ್ಡು ಇದರ
girl that you see over here.
ಒಳ್ಳೇದಂತ ಆ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಗಿ
Kirti Kale. You are giving out all the secrets.
ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Okay.
ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್
So Kirti was the first employee who came to us, right? She came crawling in for her interview because at that point in time her parents could not afford a wheelchair. And when she came to us, her hands used to tremble. if she held a half a cup coffee, it used to fall, right? Bhairappa was also really, he was cast aside in his village, right? His mother died when he was very young. None of the children in the village used to play with him. He was told that he will never be able to do anything at all. Yeah, that's when we got lucky and Bhairappa came to us. And you know who Bhairappa is today? He's the manager. You know, this was Bhairappa's first job. He was working at a cafe at Infosys, and today where is he working? Bangalore International Airport, right? Yes. You know?
I going trip
You went for a trip?
Delhi, Agra.
Oh,
Hey, Guru.
right. Acha, you know the airport. Okay. But do you think
Full ಹೆಸರೇನು ರೀ
I saw
Bhairappa?
ಯಾವ್ರನ್ನವ್ರು ನೀವು
Oh, very nice. Very nice. I think all of you all should go and meet Bhairappa. Right?
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ
But Bhairappa was also told one more very, very sad thing.
Okay.
That nobody will love him.
ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
Is
ಈ
that good?
ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್
Is that nice?
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಎಲ್ಲ
No,
ಆರಾಮಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ
na? Everybody wants love, na?
ಬಾಳ್ ಕಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್
Right?
ಬಂದು
Right? So then what happened in Mitti Cafe? Something magic, right? Which, yes, this is one of them. Yes. Now this is again a very, very important thing. Who knows about this program?
Me.
No, not you. Who else knows about this program? Okay, this is called Mitti Karuna Meals, okay, which is Mitti Compassion Meals. So all of y'all would know that, our cafes before COVID was only inside corporates, right? Only inside corporates. And what happened during COVID?
Work from home.
Everybody was working from home for a whole 2 years. No, none of the offices were working. Nobody was going.
work from home.
Work from home. But where is our cafe? In the office. Then who will come to the cafe?
COVID,
No one.
COVID one.
Yes, during COVID it was all work from home, so nobody was coming to the cafe. So can we earn money in the cafe?
No.
No. Then how will we give salary? No salary. No salary. Is that good?
Yeah.
These gifts are also made by our wonderful team. Yeah? Such beautiful things. Wow. Right? So Revati has made this beautiful Kullad mug, and this is also a part of our Mitti Good Gifts. Yeah. All right. Next. You should take this with Revati. Holding it. Yes.
If you may ask question or
Yeah.
at the end.
Just 2 minutes. I'm done. Next. So recently, who came to our cafe? The Honorable President of India. Right?
That's also
In Delhi, yes. So this is our cafe at the Supreme Court of India. And who's standing next to the President?
Chief Justice of India.
Yes, Justice Chandrachud, the Chief Justice of India, brought the President of India to our cafe. Next. And earlier, he inaugurated our cafe at the Supreme Court of India, right? So it is the only inclusive cafe in the whole world which is inside a Supreme Court, or at the apex institution of justice. Who is this? This, I am there, yes, I am there. But this person in the middle, can you see in the white shirt? He is the Prime Minister of Germany. Prime Minister of Germany. He also came to our cafe.
I go Germany.
You also want to go to Germany? Very good. Okay, very nice. Next.
That was at
Who?
Prime Minister.
No, that was at our cafe at India Coffee House. Yes. Who is this? Rajnath Singh, right? Yes, he's the Defense Minister of India.
In Delhi.
No, this is not Delhi. He started our cafe in Lucknow, right? At the Lucknow International Airport. Alright? Next. And these are some pictures from the inauguration at Rashtrapati Bhavan.
Rashtrapati Bhavan.
Yes. Yeah?
Recent one, right? In
Yeah.
June.
20th June was her birthday. And who is she feeding? Where is Dakshayani? Dakshayani! The president gave you cake? Yes, so nice. So nice. And what does all of this show? What does all of this show? This shows that everybody wants to start working on inclusion, right? And that's what we want, right? Next. And these are only a few organizations that are supporting us, right? Who? Niti Aayog, United Nations, Commonwealth, NSR Cell, Forbes 30 under 30, all of these organizations understand what wonderful work is happening here, how many lives are getting changed and transformed, and they are helping us to build an ecosystem that can promote inclusion, right? Okay? And one last thing. Anybody knows the starfish story?
We.
He has all the question paper is leaked.
Yes. So, this is a very important story for all of you. Okay? So, once upon a time, there was this small girl who was standing at a seashore, right? And it was high tide. And there were millions of starfishes on the seashore. This girl standing over there was picking up one starfish, throwing it into the water. Picking up another one, throwing it into the water. There was this wise old man who was passing by and he said, "Little girl, what are you doing?" Right? Because he thought that it's not going to make any difference, right? There are millions of starfishes. This girl throwing one starfish at the other, does it make any difference? No. This girl kept doing what she was doing. This man got even more upset. He said, "Little girl, what are you doing? This doesn't make any sense." So this girl looks at the starfish that she has in her hand and she throws it back into the water and she says, "It does make sense to this one. It made a difference to this starfish's life. We started with our first starfish who was Kirti and we want to reach the billion starfish across the world, right? Through inclusion. And all of y'all also, every small little thing that y'all do, even as volunteers or workers, whenever we see that, we can make one small difference and we think, "Arey, it's too big a problem. How will we make any change?" But we can. With one small thing, with one Kirti, today we are at 40 cafes, right? Even with your one small act of kindness, you can change so many lives, right? Alright? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So with this, let's start the Mitti Mela. Yes? Okay. So I want to invite all the people who are putting stalls in the Mitti Mela to come and say what do you have at your stall and why should anybody come to you? Okay? Who has their stall over here? In the Mitti Mela, who has their stall?
ನಾನು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಕೆಫೆಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಯಾರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್ ಅಂತ. ನಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಯಾವುದು ಇದು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ನಂಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಿಟ್ಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಫೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 3 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆದ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. 1 ಇಯರ್ ಆದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದರೂ ನಾನು ಫೇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ.
Very good. I do not.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you. Thank you. You want to speak? Come. Come.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. My name is Bharat. I working Mitti Cafe. I working Domino's pizzas. All my home no supports will come there. So many supports me.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bharat.
Thank you, Bharat.
Bracelet signed Sarah.
Bracelets and
Child.
chains.
Like child.
Oh,
Yes,
My
wow.
lord.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
made it.
Yes,
She
ma'am.
went and
Oh
bought
my
all the
God.
beads yesterday. She went to Jayanagar complex, bought all different color beads, and she made everything yesterday. She's prepared everything.
Wow. Who is going to be coming? Who is going to be coming to
This is one of the
Dakshayani
things that
stall?
we made.
Who will come to Dakshayani stall?
Dakshayani Torsidana.
Wow.
This is one of the chains that she has.
Hi, yes,
It is
ma'am.
so
Yes,
beautiful. I want this one. See, it's matching
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
Very, very beautiful. We'll all go to Dakshayani stall, right?
Yes.
Yes? Very good. Super. Very good. Thank you, Dakshayani.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. All the best for your stall.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes?
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Okay.
They come on
It's all right. It's okay.
they come on an inclusive platform. They come on an inclusive platform to make fun of our disability. And many corporate sectors are having creating job fairs every month, and we are a source of entertainment for them. They are not giving us jobs.
So I think over here, sometimes what I have understood is that when organizations want to have inclusion, they also need to be shown how inclusion is achieved, right? A lot of times they might think that yes, we want to hire people with disabilities, but they get scared because it is an unknown territory for them. I don't think anybody does it with an intention of making fun. They just don't know how to do it. And that is why I think Mitti Cafe's role is so important, because we show the world how you can have inclusion in your organization. There are so many cafes that we have that are run 100% by people with disabilities. And they together can manage a cafe. I think they can manage anything at all, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
And
But
so whichever companies are not being able to hire, we should call them all to come and see how people with disabilities are able to work at Mitti Cafe.
they made fun of my disability multiple times, which has turned into embarrassment for me.
That's really sad. What is the vision that we have at Mitti Cafe? Economic empowerment and dignity. You can also ask Dakshayani when we got to know in the beginning that she is also on the roads. Did we bring you here?
Yes.
Right, Dakshayani? Yes? So don't compromise on your dignity, and that's absolutely important. भीख नहीं मांगना है. भीख नहीं मांगना चाहते हो, भीख नहीं मांगना है. Right? We have so much talent. So over here, he's a postgraduate. So if you all have opportunities at Morgan Stanley, we are happy to share his CV. If you all can create an opportunity, it will be so nice. Right?
Can I start?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, my name is Vadiraj Joshi. My first interaction I remember at Swati. Now how we wanted to engage and start this program. As a part of Morgan Stanley, I lead a chatbot squad, part of Enterprise Tech Services. Along with me, we have folks from other divisions. Monica from IST, Manoj from IST, Mohan, Sonali, Preetam, and Manisha from EC, Enterprise Computing. So we are all from different divisions. So as a part of June, we start the celebration of giving back. So as a part of community and neighborhood where we live in, so we do different themes, like from cleaning beaches to cleaning lake beds to giving back in terms of tree plantation. So recently we did a tree census. So there is a lot of tree plantation everywhere. But what about the census of those trees? So we did one of those activities next to our office. So we do a lot of give backs, from animal shelter to taking care of different pets. So we do a lot of activities across different varieties. So this was one of the things that as being a core value of our Morgan Stanley, as an integral value, diversity and inclusion is something that is celebrated as a part of June month, Pride month, and different other sectors. So this is something I wanted to touch upon both, which is our fourth element and fifth element. Diversity and inclusion stands for, and give back is next to it. So it's like sisters or brothers.
Right.
So this was something that gave us an opportunity. Mitti Cafe, Swati and Lataji, thank you so much. that you encouraged us to come in little early, engage with the folks. All the people here, we got engaged with them from chopping to cleaning, and we also rushed into kitchen. So thanks for that, being so inviting, and inviting us much earlier instead of 10 a.m. We didn't want to come here and just hog some snacks. We wanted to be part of the activity, so that we also help with them in setting up the stalls and also. So it was a really engaging activity for us and a unique experience, I would say. And we'll make sure that we also put individually as how best we can put effort to make it more inclusive in nature and diversified, because they bring in a beautiful perspective, as himself said, right? And he's been also very excited on all the thoughts. So you can see here itself, they are very participative in nature. So we want to see that kind of thing coming in every part of the decision that keeps happening at the different executive levels. So it's not just us. So they need to be part of making all these decision-making processes as well, because their perspectives, their opinions matter a lot to the society. So we'll make individual as in a company, we do that. I was telling Morgan Stanley took an effort instead of to put in a braille, dots to help understand which floor they are. So it's just one example. So there are more such that as organization Morgan Stanley does. So it's very not in terms of marketing, but it truly believes in give back, because the reason we are here on a weekday, that itself shows how they believe in terms of giving back to the society. So having said that, I thank all my Morgan Stanley volunteers and others from other NGOs and different partners of Mitti Cafe who have come here for participating in Mitti Mela, which is a great celebration to give entrepreneurship experience to all of the training participants who have gone through the entire learning journey. Thanks to all the trainers also for giving them all the hospitality skills and everything. So thank you once again. Now you can look at both cameras. Wow!
How is it? At least you guys to taste it, yaar. This good. Taste it. How is it? Taste it. Someone taste it. How is it? Salt is okay.
It is spicy. But it's good.
So here Morgan Stanley has volunteered to help us. So here we have
Hi.
this is
No, where is your actual YouTuber? Me? I'm not an expert here. Then I why? What is it chicken?
ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಚ್ಚಾ ತಿಂಚು ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಗಾಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ರೇಟಾಗಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರು ಚಪಾತಿ ಖಾಲಿ
ಬೇರ್ಪುಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ
Thank you.
ಏನಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು? ವರ್ಷಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಮಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಸ್ಯಾರೀಸ್, ಸೀರೆ, ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು?
ಸರ್ ಟೋಕನ್
Parents also.